So, OnePlus is gearing up for the highly anticipated launch of the OnePlus 15, which is expected to debut later this month in China. And before the big day arrives, the company has already started teasing one of its biggest upgrades, the display. Earlier leaks hinted that the flagship would debut BOE's next-generation screen technology, and now it's official. OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus 15 will feature BOE's third-generation Oriental screen, a display that's shaping up to be one of the most advanced panels we've seen on any smartphone yet. Louis Li, the president of OnePlus China, took to Weibo to make the announcement. He confirmed that OnePlus is once again teaming up with BOE, one of China's leading display manufacturers. If you recall, the OnePlus 13 used BOE's second-gen Oriental screen, which earned glowing reviews for its brightness, color accuracy, and power efficiency. Now, the company is ready to take things up another notch. BOE will officially unveil its new third-gen display on October 14th at 2:30 p.m. local time in Shenzhen, China. And the OnePlus 15 will be front and center in showing off what it can do. Now let's talk about the key display upgrades that OnePlus has teased so far. The OnePlus 15's panel will reportedly support a 165Hz refresh rate, delivering ultra-smooth visuals for gaming and everyday use. To put that in perspective, the ROG Phone 8 Pro, one of the most gaming-focused phones out there, also maxes out at 165Hz, though it's limited to an FHD Plus resolution. The OnePlus 15, on the other hand, is rumored to feature a sharper 1.5K resolution, striking a balance between performance and clarity. In addition, this new BOE panel is expected to earn the prestigious A++ rating, the highest possible grade from DisplayMate, the same score the OnePlus 13's screen achieved last year. It will also come with TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Care 5.0 certification, earning a gold standard rating for its ability to reduce eye strain during long viewing sessions. Another impressive detail is its 1 nit minimum brightness, which ensures comfortable use in dark environments without any eye discomfort, something even premium flagships often struggle with. While OnePlus hasn't shared every technical detail yet, leaks suggest that the OnePlus 15 will pack a slightly smaller 6.78-inch display compared to the 6.82-inch panel on its predecessor. Powering the device will be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is expected to bring major boosts in speed, graphics, and AI performance. And that's not all. Leaks also hint that OnePlus is preparing a compact OnePlus 15T, featuring similar top-tier hardware in a smaller form factor. With the new display revealed just days away, OnePlus seems ready to make its next flagship not just powerful, but visually stunning. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.